Hello guys, Dev here, and today in this video we will go over the software PowerSuite 2.0. Stay until the very end. I'll show you the PowerSuite, ratings, reviews, pros and cons, pricing and upsells, as well as my honest opinion of SendPal. Let's start it. What is PowerSuite 2.0 and ratings? PowerSuite 2.0 is a 13-in-1 business suite that offers you with everything you need to start or grow your business from a single dashboard. All 13 cloud-based business apps included in PowerSuite 2.0 include incredible ready-to-use templates that you can customize in minutes. List of ratings based by user experience. For this PowerSuite dashboard was easy convenient, so I gave 8.6 ratings out of 10. For the DFY AI Writer and DFY Scraper, I gave 8 out of 10. For the pricing, so that I gave 8 ratings out of 10 because you get 13 apps for one-time price. For value for money, so I gave 7 ratings out of 10 because some apps like Link Tracker is need to upgrade. For the profit conversion, it's easy for affiliate marketers and business owners, so I give 8 out of 10. So overall, I gave 8.0 out of 10. Pros and cons and my personal opinion. Pros. Nothing to download or install. This PowerSuite is entirely cloud-based AI software, so there is no need to download any large files. This is a massive benefit for small businesses, and the fact that this software has to include a restore backup option is an additional advantage for users. PowerSuite came with build and chart support, so you can easily boost your sales and managing support services. No restrictions. 100% newbie friendly, no technical skill are need. If you want to check the tutorial of this software, check the link in description. And you can get the 24/7 customer support from the PowerSuite team. Cons. Commercial license is limited time, so if you want to buy the permanent one you need to pay upsell price. Limited time money back guarantee for 14 days. The PowerSuite team has a 14-day return and refund policy, so if you don't like this software, you must return it within 14 days. PowerSuite 2.0 pricing and upsells. Get PowerSuite 2.0 commercial plus all upgrades for a low, one-time payment at $267. PowerSuite 2.0 Fast Pass $240 one-time price. OTO 1 PowerSuite 2.0 Unlimited $37. OTO 2S PowerSuite 2.0 Agency Tools $47. OTO 3 PowerSuite 2.0 Mailvio $67. OTO 4 PowerSuite 2.0 SurveyI Unlimited $97. Front End PowerSuite includes 2,000 credits. Full access to all 13 products. Here you see the product details. My honest opinion. Hopefully, my honest thoughts on PowerSuite 2.0 helped you in making your buying decision. And first and foremost, I've been using Neil Napier products and service for quite some time now and have been very pleased with the content and service they provide. Most interesting part is you can save more money by getting 13 business tools in one place. But I am not sure about the sales conversion. There is a high chances you get stuck and the leads are not well targeted. But if you're a beginner not having any knowledge about online marketings, and please don't touch this software. Because it's quite big investment for you, but if you are marketing professional, it's perfect friendly software for you. I understand the decision of taking out $37 one-time price is not simply made, but this investment is profitable and for a sustainable business. If you have marketing knowledge. That's all for now, guys. If you want to buy the software, click the link I provided below the video, but read the entire sales page twice before doing so, and I give demo tutorial link also in this video description. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. In case any questions related to this software, just drop a comment, I'll reach you. Have a great week.